Alright, so fresh off of our first project, it's time for our second dashboard. So here's the situation. You've just been hired as the lead business intelligence analyst for Maven Toys, a small toy store chain in the US. And as one of your first tasks, the COO has asked you to prepare a new monthly dashboard for the company's regional sales managers. So here's the full email from Andy Davis, who's the COO, and he says, I have a monthly call with the regional sales managers, but they each present their data in different ways and it's impossible to follow. Could you build a dashboard that we can use to filter by region, track monthly revenue trends, and see performance year over year? I'd also like to compare performance across stores and identify which specific products drove the biggest gains and losses. Alright, so it sounds like this is going to be more of a hybrid between exploratory and explanatory analysis, which we can break down with the following key objectives. As always, we're going to start by defining the purpose for the dashboard. Then we're going to choose the key metrics and interactivity. And in this one, we are going to need to plan ahead for the growing source data, since this will be for a monthly call. And then like last time, we need to prepare the data for visualization in Excel, create the primary and supporting visuals, design the final dashboard layout, and again try to add some storytelling elements here, and finally configure the workbook for sharing with multiple users. Now before we jump into Excel, let's take a quick look at the data that Andy sent us. We've got monthly sales figures from January 2020 to July 2021 with a total of 4,265 records. We're looking at a total of 7 dimensions, so year, month, store name, region and type, and product name and category, and 3 measures, so units sold, revenue, and profit. And to build this dashboard, we'll be using some of the Excel concepts covered in the previous project, and some new ones like top-end formulas, previous period calculations, automatic sorting, conditional formatting, and sharing the dashboard online. So I hope you're excited to get started.